Guys, today you're gonna see me with my glasses because my hands are gonna be too full with delicious Thai food to take them off every time I talk to you. Because we're doing a food review. Today we are at Beaufat's Fisherman's Village, where they have a market every single night that goes from 5 until 10:30 p.m. and it's filled with delicious food. So we're gonna go check it out because I am hungry. They're making the Cheyenne. Okay, so Cheyenne is actually milk tea, but in Thai. We just always order it in Thailand and nobody understands when we say milk tea, so. Review number 1, for 20 baht, which is just under $1, you get this really delicious milk tea. It tastes like love everywhere you go in Thailand. Cheers. Vegetarian samosa, also 20 baht, so that is 66 cents for this delicious thingy. Oh, wow. Potatoey, oniony, garlicky, spicy as hell. Holy guacamole. My mouth is on fire.
So this is the chicken samosa. It's got like a crunchy phyllo dough to the outside and chunks of curried chicken on the inside with like slimy potato chunks, but they're really good when you bite into them. That's incredible.
One and one. My hands are a little full. I'm not upset. Okay, here we have 2 of my favorites. One is just tempura fried shrimp with sweet Thai chili sauce, which is amazing, and veggie spring rolls. And excuse me, that milk tea is hitting my intestines and I'm lactose intolerant. Alright, so the way that you eat this deliciousness, you literally grab it, you shove it in the Thai chili sauce. I like to really, basically, I like some shrimp with my Thai chili. So good.
So I have the vegetable spring rolls, small fried deliciousness. I don't really know what else to tell you until I bite into it. It's a little doughy on the outside. That's interesting. Not like you would think a typical veggie spring roll is. This has like whole peas, very large shredded carrots, and it's super mushy around the inside. Interesting. Not the favorite, but it's still pretty good. It's worth a try because it's completely different than what we have back home. I literally cannot tell you guys how excited I am for this. So Pandan is turned into one of my favorite custards. I think that's how you say it. I'll put that down below. It's literally called Thai custard. It's like a green, coconutty, creamy goodness that they shove in everything. And they have just so happened to shove it in deliciously soft bread. That was the best decision I made tonight. Wow, it is that good. So take like a filled donut from Dunkin' Donuts, but you know how like the bread's always too dry? This is like the perfect amount of moist on the inside, and then it's full of that coconutty Thai custard, which is incredibly delicious. Ugh.
Eggs okay?
Eggs, perfect.
You need spicy?
No spicy. Conสบายดีไหม
สบายดีค่ะ ขอบคุณค่ะหวานเอาละเอามากเลยนะช่องไหนอ่ะ
Thank you.
This food review would not be complete if we came to Thailand and didn't show you eating some pad thai. So this is some vegetarian pad thai here at the Beaufort market. So the noodles are very chewy, but overall the flavor is pretty good. Tastes a lot like peanuts. Not the best pad thai I've had, but not the worst pad thai I've had. Usually it tastes like peanuts and some like savory smokiness. Sometimes it'll have shrimp. It'll taste a little fishy. It's also filled with vegetables like scallions, bean sprouts. If you're gonna be in Koh Samui anyway, I mean, it's a great way to try a bunch of different foods for a pretty low cost, and also a great place to shop. There's like bracelets and dresses and questionable Beats headphones and questionable branded Louis Vuitton things. But if that's what you're into and you want to like come and experience it, it's a great place to do that. There's also tons of music, tons of alcohol, and tons of seating. So if you even just wanted to come here and have a drink, the ambiance is really nice. And we actually came early on purpose to skip out on some of the crowds, because later this gets pretty crazy.
It's literally shoulder to shoulder with people just slammed.
Like, I would not be able to talk to you holding this right now. Kapumka.
This is some kind of rice thing. It's like a barbecued rice patty. It smells really good. It looks really good. It's like almost as if they smoke it. It's like got a caramelized outside too. Very savory. Tastes like barbecue rice. It's delicious.
Mango sticky rice! So if you guys watched our earlier Bangkok video, like way back when we first came to Thailand, I'll put that right up here, I had been dying to try mango sticky rice and I hated it. Like literally, I put it in my mouth and I was like, what the heck is this abomination of dessert? But now that I've been in Thailand for way longer than I'm gonna openly admit right now, I love it. So it is warm rice that's been cooked in coconut milk, and then a really nice ripe mango with some toasted corn, and then like a sweetened condensed milk mixed with coconut milk. And this one's so good. The mangoes, the pineapples, every fruit here is so nice and ripe and juicy. Like seriously, I don't know what's in Thai soil, but they're so sweet and creamy and not hard. Like literally it all just kind of melts in your mouth. It tastes like love. I can't express it as anything else. As a matter of fact, Daniel's gonna have to get his own. Surprise!
So we figured that while we're here, we kind of went through all the food that the market has to offer. A lot of the other markets typically have a significant amount of variety. They typically have a significant amount of variety. But this one happens to not. We talked about that earlier. That's okay. There's still a lot more of market than just the food area. Actually, when you go into the back, they have all the drinks, they have all the stalls, and they actually have like the Bo Phut's village area, which we figured we're here. Why not go ahead and take you guys and show you?
So we made it to the Bo Phut's Fisherman's Village, and usually this is a lot busier, but we are on a Monday and low season did just start. But now we're gonna show you the beach. Koh Samui is pretty different from the other Thai islands that we've been to. All of the other Thai islands were in the Andaman Sea, which is on the west side of Thailand. These are in the Gulf of Thailand and what they call the Bay of Peace. And as you can see behind me, in comparison to the waves that you guys probably saw in our Krabi Town videos or in the Onang videos where the ocean was really violent, here it's the complete opposite. Like this is the prime place. If you want to go paddleboarding or kayaking, you will have no problem here. Unlike our Gili Islands experience where I thought I was actually gonna die. Up here. One of my favorite parts about Thailand is the fact that massages are super duper cheap. Like $6 for a full hour, whether it's a Thai massage or a foot massage. We did a Thai massage yesterday because it was our anniversary. 1 year married, y'all. Today is the day after our anniversary, and because treat yourself.
Don't you like the logic? Today's the day after our 1 year anniversary.
So it's basically like our anniversary. So we're gonna get a massage again. Hello? Sawadika! Wait, inside?
Inside.
One of the biggest regrets I had about the first time that we were in Thailand was not getting massages more frequently, because literally the millisecond you step the border from Thailand into Malaysia or anywhere else nearby, massages go from $6 to $30. And so come to Thailand, get massages, you won't regret it. As much as we love you guys, we're gonna relax now, so we'll catch you after.
If you are in Bo Phut's Fisherman Village, you need to come and get a massage from these wonderful ladies. Daniel literally fell asleep and started snoring on the chair next to me. We all giggled. I almost fell asleep a couple times, and I feel like a new person. We video? Ooh.